Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Today we're making puff pastry filled with veggies and cream cheese. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's make the filling. Heat the oil in the pan, then fry the mushrooms until they do not have water on medium to high heat. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients and more information. It is below where it says more. Once the water evaporates, fry the onion and the red bell peppers. You may add butter. To support this channel, please watch until the end and run the ads. Add the smoked paprika and stir. Season with salt and pepper. Sprinkle garlic and onion powder and stir, then add baby spinach. If you are new to this channel or you are a regular visitor, please subscribe and press the notification bell. It is free to subscribe. Once the spinach wilts, remove the pan from the heat. I would like to thank the returning subscribers, my family, for your loyal support. Mix the veggies with cream cheese and stir until they are blended. If you like travel adventures and creating memories, please subscribe to this channel, Travel with Dr. Amy. A big shout out to Travel with Dr. Amy. Taste the filling and make seasoning adjustments if necessary. Place an open, thawed puff pastry dough on a flat surface. Fill the dough. Level the filling and close the gaps. Do not fill until the edges to avoid the filling spilling out when rolling. Roll close the pastry. It into pieces the size of your choice. You may use a knife or a cotton thread like I am doing right now, or use a clean floss or a bench scraper, whichever you have or you can use. You may use a lined baking tray or a cupcake tray. Please note though that if you're using a cupcake tray, the egg sticks. So my preference is a lined baking tray to avoid them sticking. Beat an egg or use milk. Mix it with herbs of choice. Here I used egg whites that were leftovers. Brush the pastries. As support, please press the like button and leave a comment below about your thoughts on this recipe. Bake between 25 to 30 minutes or until they are golden. I hope you will enjoy these delicious pastries. Thank you for your time. See you soon. Bye bye.